Hello friends, day 138, and I started off on the Granite way from where I'd camped last night. And oh, by the way, Big Agnes 2 is leaking again, albeit only slightly. And then after the Granite way I went on to the Two Castles trail, which has brought me through to Launceston. And my plan was to get a hotel room in Launceston and see if I could fix the puncture in Big Agnes 2. But Launceston seems to be rather devoid of hotels, and especially any with rooms to spare. So it looks like I'm going to be camping behind the church that you can see in the background. Not quite in the cemetery this time, but behind it. And I'm having a meal at the Indian restaurant in town, and I will be leaving here when it gets a bit darker and a bit of stealth camping. I've only got 100 miles to go. So close, and I want to make sure that I don't just skim through it. So tomorrow night I'm going to stop at King Arthur's Hall, which is a place I stayed at on the way up, and I loved it. So I'm going to go and stay there again tomorrow. So no hotel for me tomorrow night either, but I will find one soon. So let's take a look at where I've been today, and I'll see you on the trail.